Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar, I mean, definitely going down very strong on the shorter time frames, but for now, especially with the fact that we got interest rate coming out next week for the US dollar, for now, I'm definitely still sticking to my wave C analysis. I still think this is a wave A, I still think this is a wave B, and I still think there's a good chance it's going to make a uptrend for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely did turn down pretty hard, but I mean, for now, it definitely still looks to me like a wave 1, still looks like a WXY of wave 2. I still think this weekly time frame is very, very likely to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a breaker structure to the downside on the daily, so I definitely would be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. This move down that we're getting probably is pretty likely to be a correction to this last move up, so we definitely need to watch our Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely, especially for three-way pullbacks, for Fibonacci bounces, for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely personally would definitely be looking for shorts. I would expect this to actually keep on going down. I think we're probably only in a wave A of a bigger correction. Eventually, it probably will start making a correction to the wave A like a wave B, but for now, just enjoy this downtrend for the wave A and go short every chance you get on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks. So if I see a nice little three-way pullback, if I see a nice engulfing move to the downside, then that's exactly what I'm looking for more entries to the short side. At least until we get some sort of a breaker structure to the upside on preferably the 4 hour to daily time frame. I personally would only be looking for shorts, and I'd only be looking to go short at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of what I think is most likely a wave A on the higher time frames, but who knows, it definitely could turn into a wave 1, and if it does turn into a wave 1, then that's not a big deal because we're just going to be going with the flow anyways. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.